Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove or delete language from your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and then go to General Management. Then here select the language, and here if you would like to remove language or delete language from the list, yes, you can do it. Here three language available: English, Malayalam and Tamil. If you want to remove Malayalam and Tamil, what you have to do is click on edit button here and select the languages to be removed. Okay, and click on remove button here and click on remove. Selected languages will be removed. Yes, it has been removed, and see the changes. Only English is available. So in this way you can easily remove language, some particular language, one language or more than one language from your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.